Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to another episode of Keigo Moriyama Photography, and today we are going to test this. So as you can remember, I posted a video for the Polaroid Landcamera J66, and it was kind of good results for the hacking that I made utilizing these adapters, and I want to try today with this 120 camera that I have with me now, and I used the new Portra, I said correctly this time, 160, and because this camera I made a modification before in order to add the 120 film and spool it out. I broke it, so I decided to create a special adapter that doesn't have the pin on the bottom, so I can put here and let the film roll without any problems. So moving forward, let me test this one out. And first of all, I will need to put the film. Let's open here. And let's open the roll of 120 Portra. Let's put the adapter, and okay, be sure that there will be no issues, should be okay. It's not super smooth, but let's try. So as we did for the other one, we have to keep pulling out the film till we will see, like now, the film coming up, and we remove the tape that is here. And then let's close it. And technically we are ready to go. So what I've learned from the previous film, I had a big amount of film that was completely empty, and I thought that one of the main reasons was the wrong way of pulling it out, but because we removed the film till here so far, I have the whole image fully exposed. So I think I can start taking the first picture now.